Graph the following function on the given domain. Indicate whether the endpoint is included on the graph using a closed or open dot. So f of x equals negative x. That's a basic line equation, and let's get an idea of what that looks like. So negative x, that has a y-intercept of 0 and a slope of negative 1, which means you would go down 1 or over 1, down 1 over 1, or you could go up 1, back 1. So my line roughly passes through like this. Okay, now that's the entire line. The problem is I'm restricted to a specific domain. I'm restricted to where x is between 3 and 6, and it's values that are bigger than 3, so not including 3, but less than or equal to 6, so including the 6. So within this domain, that's the only portion of this line that exists. So if I try and find the y value associated with this point, that's the start of my line segment here. The y value associated with this point is down here, and I might be off by 1 or 2, one value, or maybe not. I think I'm okay. And then the segment connecting those, that is the only part of this line that exists. So all of this that I did in green isn't actually part of the line. And of course, neither is any of this other stuff or the domain I drew in. I just am using that for reference. Now, to enter this on the homework, notice we have our tool set, align, segment, ray, open, and close circle. I generally start with these. So I'm going to use an open circle where x is 3. So when x is 3, y is negative 3. So 3, negative 3. And then 6, negative 6. Those are my 2 points. And I just need a segment connecting those. And when I do that segment, it does appear that the open circle has been filled in. But if you click over here to the circle tools again, it will show that it hasn't been filled in. And now when you submit your work, you're all set.